Guys, Brian back with a Pepe update here. If I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe button, I would appreciate that so very much. We're going to take a look at this chart on the daily right now. You can see we're definitely having a little bit of a pullback here. We put a Fibonacci on this thing and see how far of a pullback this has been. You can see the 618, it seems to be holding up on this thing. All right, you can see we have had declining volume on the daily. Okay, had some sellers step in here, had more selling than buying the last few days on this coin, it looks like. If we zoom out on the technicals on the 4-hour, you can see the 4-hour RSI down there on the bottom is getting reset. Okay, on the stochastic. If we pull up the regular RSI, you can see we had that bearish divergence forming back here, and looks like with the 4-hour, unless we break this divergence and this thing sets another high, the bearish divergence is still in order here. Okay, if we let's go out to the 12-hour. The 12-hour, okay, the RSI is just about reset. All right, so this thing could be setting up to make another try up. Okay, the 8, let's look at the 8. The 8-hour is reset and turning up. All right, so this thing could be getting ready to go. The 1-hour is about in the middle. Okay, it's let's see what's going on here on the smaller time frame. Okay, you have a trend line forming right through here. Okay, on this thing, you can see. Let's put it right there. Okay, so you can see that trend line forming, and you can see a resistance up right up through this area here. Okay, so it could be wedging up here. We have 2 touches on this, technically 3. I guess it could be a valid line, but just trying to get an idea here of what's going on the smaller time frames. Okay, now if we put this back out to the 4, and if we put that trend-based fib extension on this thing, it could have another leg up. It could. I'm not saying it will, but full extension on this thing would look something like that. Would put it up around the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is it? 5 or 6 zeros. Then 5, 6, 2, 3, 7, 5, 6, 9, 7, 8. Okay, would be a full fib extension on that thing, and you could get it. Okay, you could. I'm just saying could, because there's no technicals behind it. It's a meme coin, and somebody could dump at any moment. Them, like I said in the last video, the people that made this coin, they're going to be looking to sell at some point here. All right, so you could get something like that if this plays an Elliott wave theory and you get the 5 waves out of it. Would look something like this here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then you would have a massive correction after that. So we'll see what happens, guys. Right now, it looks like it could be in the short term here. The next day or so, we could be getting another bounce out of it. It's starting. Looks like it's starting another uptrend here, possibly. So just please trade with caution. This is not financial advice at all. If you're in profit out there, you might really want to consider taking some of that off the table. So, all right, guys, trade carefully. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk back to you real soon. Thank you.